a Sunday afternoon and I'm hungry for a snack. Luckily I have this cupcake. But we can do something even more yummy with the cupcake. Like make a milkshake with it. So today we're going to be making a cupcake milkshake.
Kids, this is a warning. Do not let your parents eat this or they'll pass out like in 10 seconds.
But luckily for us kids, we can eat anything yummy. So let's get to it. Here's what you're gonna need. Some milk, a cup, some ice cream of your choice, a cupcake, some sprinkles, a measuring cup, some whipped cream, and a blender, and a little mermaid. So the first thing you need to do is put 2 scoops of ice cream in the blender. I'm gonna drop 1 scoop, plop, mix, plop. Why not 1 more small one just to make it extra yummy? Add some sprinkles to give it a little color. Yummy. So you can put as much milk as you want. So I'm gonna go about halfway because I like my milkshakes thick. Okay, so make sure you get an adult to help you cut the top of the cupcake off. Look, mine has a cream filling in it. Now just drop it into your milkshake. Okay, so now you're gonna blend it. See? Ooh, sounds weird. So now you wanna pour the milkshake into your cup. So let's go. So I made some whipped cream earlier, so I'm going to put the whipped cream in here. So let's plop that in there. Yummy. Hold on guys, I need to do something really important. So carefully put your cupcake top in your milkshake. So now you can put some sprinkles on it now that we're done. Oh, that looks so good, you guys. Can't wait to try it. Okay, guys, there's my cupcake milkshake. Let's give it a try. Hello? Oh, my lordies. Oh my god, you guys, that was so freaking delicious! When you make yours, comment down in the section below how yummy it is. Bye!